I've got something real special today. Welcome back to Stylized Station, and you may not believe that you can texture something like this, but here at Stylized Station, I believe that anyone can learn 3D art, and that's why today I'm going to show you just how easy texturing really is using one of my favorite assets from the 3D coloring book. All of these beautiful materials were all created with a few basic layers and a few tricks that you can apply to basically any texturing project. So that means you won't only walk away knowing how to texture this asset, it also means you'll learn fundamental texturing techniques that will give you the confidence and knowledge to texture any other asset. Now this is a time lapse of the full commentated tutorial, and you can grab said tutorial and the project files in my Patreon if you want to support me, or even better, you can grab everything and more in my 3D coloring book. I'm going to give you a code to get the coloring book for a month free, so you can check out the tutorial for yourself and download the project files all for free. I'll leave a link in the description. I add new assets and tutorials to the coloring book every month, so feel free to stick around if you want to level up your texturing skills. Okay guys, let's start learning.